Welcome to the Blue Iguana Cantina on the Carnival Horizon, located on the Lido Deck, where you can get breakfast or lunch on sea days and port days. If you have any allergies or food sensitivities, be sure to let the person behind the counter know so they can help you get what you need. The Blue Iguana Cantina is free. That's right, no extra charge. It's all included in your fare. It's fast, it's casual, poolside Mexican eatery right there on the Lido Deck, easy to get to. It serves up made-to-order tacos, burritos, and breakfast items alongside an extensive salad bar. For breakfast, you can get huevos rancheros, breakfast burritos, and arepas made fresh to order. Right now, we're here for lunch, and we're looking at chicken, beef, and pork right there so that you can make tacos or burritos in freshly pressed tortillas, or if you want, you can have it put in a bowl. Everything you see Robin from Sea Lake Journeys eating here today is going to be gluten-free, so she's going to opt for the bowl, and I'm going to get mine put on a jalapeno tortilla. Breakfast is served on sea days from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Lunch is served from 12 to 2:30 p.m. On port days, the breakfast bar will open a half hour earlier at 7 a.m. Be sure to check your hub app, though, for the times on your ship. Did I mention that it's all included? There's no extra charge? Wow. Hey, we got here for lunch and there was only 4 or 5 people in front of us. No big lunch rush today. It's recommended, though, if you want to beat the rush, to go around 1:30. Well, come on, we'll go find a place to sit. Sensei Rabbit is supposed to meet us here for lunch. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he says he found a great table over here. Let's follow him. You can sit out on Lido Deck in one of the many tables and chairs, or you can come inside where it's air conditioned in the buffet area. And that's what we opted to do today.
Okay, so the journey crew, we are eating Blue Iguana. So one side of the Blue Iguana is tacos, the other side is burritos. If you want it in a bowl, one moment.
Un momento, por favor.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, we are having Blue Iguana for lunch. So when you go up to the Blue Iguana bar, one side is tacos, the other side is burritos. The burrito side, you can get a bowl. So y'all know what Robin from Sea Lake Journeys got. She got a bowl.
And how was it to find gluten-free options in that?
It was all gluten-free. The only thing that wasn't gluten-free was the flour tortillas. So I was good with that.
How about that? She got a bowl. Show me your bowl.
So I got a loaded bowl. I did not get rice. I just got meat and veggies, no rice, and cheese.
I got a big old fat burrito. Look at the size of that big fat burrito. With jalapeno roll. The other option was wheat. And the line wasn't too bad to get through today. It's just shortly after 12 o'clock, and there was only 5 or 6 people ahead of us.
Yeah.
So it didn't take long.
Mine is so good. This is what we should have been eating for lunch all week.
I got the beef with rice, onions, corn, something else, and guacamole.
I got the chicken, corn, lettuce, cheese, pico de gallo, the Roja sauce.
Yeah, she asked for a hot, spicy one, so that's the one they gave her.
It's not the hot and spicy. It's tangy. I wouldn't say it's hot and spicy. I would say it's tangy.
This is really good.
Mine's good.
I would definitely order this again.
Me too.
The next morning, I decided to try one of those breakfast burritos. Let's see what it's like. Blue Iguana Burrito. Oops. Blue Iguana Breakfast Burrito. Let's see what. This is located on Lido Deck, right by the main pool. And I'll get it off the road. Look at that. It's a big meaty looking dude, ain't it? And you get to pick what you put on it. Mine has eggs, salsa, lettuce, cheese. But you can also get sausage or bacon or a bunch of other toppings put on there if you want. Quite a variety of toppings for a breakfast burrito at the Blue Iguana. Thanks for checking out the Blue Iguana Cantina on the Carnival Horizon. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.